In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Canva website. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so if you're new to Canva or to blogging, don't worry. Just follow along on your own screen and pause the video whenever you need a moment to catch up. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, it's free and quick to sign up, and you'll need an account to save and publish your blog design. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the main button that says Create near the top of the screen. This is where you start any new design in Canva. Click on that Create button. A drop-down or a new panel will open, giving you different options for what you want to design, such as presentations, social media posts, and more. In that search bar that appears after you click Create, type in the word blog. This tells Canva you're specifically looking for blog-related designs. As you type, Canva will suggest different formats, so just type blog clearly and wait for the search results to load. Now, in the list of results, find the option that says blog website. This is important because Canva has many different templates, including simple blog graphics or headers. You want the blog website option so that you get a full page layout designed to function as an actual website style blog, not just a single image. Once you see blog website click on it. Canva will then open a new design tab or page with blog website templates. From here, you'll be able to browse different layouts and choose one that fits your style and content. Look for designs that match the mood and purpose of your blog, whether it's personal, professional, or creative. After you've clicked into the blog website area, you're ready to start customizing your blog, changing text, adding your own images, adjusting colors, and setting it up to reflect your brand or personality. The key steps you've just done are getting into Canva, starting a new design, searching for blog, and selecting the blog website option, which lays the foundation for everything you'll build next.